Hey everybody in YouTube land, Live with the Trains here. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers who have found my channel the last couple of years and have enjoyed my videos. I want to thank you for that. Hey, and if you want to help new people who haven't found my channel to find it and enjoy my videos like you have, every time you watch one of my videos, give it a thumbs up. That's right. When you give my videos a thumbs up, it helps new rail fans find my channel and enjoy the videos the same way you have the last couple of years. So I want to thank you for that in advance. You know what's coming. More trains, because you ain't seen nothing yet.
Clear 437, 1 east. IO 104, 29, 269, 12, 42 clear. East.
CFX detector, milepost, point 1, track, main, 2, no defect. Repeat, no defect. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector, milepost 69.4. No defects. Total axle 68 out.
35, no defects. 6806, track 1, 227, X169, 290.
Point niner, track 1, milepost 4.2.6, track 2, no defects, out.
Alright, 10429 to X912, no defects, 39 clear, 2 east.
Just made it. 37 and 5328. He is boogieing, Jack. Look at him go.
We're ambulance 13 off the air station.
Ambulance 13 off the air station.
Symbol on that train is CSX M568. That train starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads east to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates all on this Tuesday, November 26, 2024, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube.
Those deals.
Here comes the next video. Roll it.
Sector milepost 4.6. Track 1. No defects. Out.
Oh, hang on. I think we got another train coming. Coming from this direction here. Keep the cameras rolling.
How are you doing here? What's that over?
I'm keeping the railroad going.
That a girl here. Well, the pew on to.
Seems like you're doing the same.
Wait for another 40 minutes.
Lucky you, I'm here so fast.
There should be a parent on duty around here.
Absolutely.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 59.0. No defects. Norfolk Southern, milepost 59.0. No defects.
Conductor, Dan, I'm going to roll over and see where that crew's at.
CSX NG dispatcher answered over.
NG, this is PO64. Is that crew here, or do you know where they're at?
PO64, no, I do not know, but I'll see if I can find out there.
Roger that. I'm going to go back to the road, and I guess we'll just wait till they get here, I reckon. We got a lot of people loading now, so we're going to be here a minute anyhow.
Alrighty, roger that.
Hold of them, or the crew, engineer, conductor, to tell the conductor they're here.
Alrighty, yeah, I'll see if I can track down for you guys, and I'll,
Hold it. Now don't click away, because there's more trains to come. There always is that wide world of trains, because you ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Didn't want to hit the camera.
CFX detector, milepost, point 1, track, main 2, no, repeat, no, defect.
Symbol on that train is Norfolk Southern 316. The 316 originates in Elkhart, Indiana, heads east, or no, not Elkhart, at Bellevue, Ohio at the Mormon Yard, heads east to eastbound to New York, where it terminates, all on this Sunday, November 24th, 2024, from a wide world of trains on YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it.
We'll do all this at 31 over. 58, flight control hitter IEO. Defect detected. 40 down at 31 instead. Down at 31, okay, thank you. No defects. No defects. Total accuracy 0 end of transmission.
3006, 3115, and 789.
I'm gonna slow you down at 31 instead. Okay, down to 31. Okay, thanks. I get the advisor over. Yeah, if you can tell me all clear, that would be number 3. I'm going to do the running track from Transco line to CP Drive.
Alright, from clear white team. Right track, Transco line, draw at 3:30.
Alright, clear, that would be number 3 at 3:32. 0332 p.m. And I don't know if you heard or not. We went down there and checked it out. There's like, there's a wire that a bomb came off the track there right at that approach.
We're going to clear ambulance 13 around the Brooks, starting 58.7.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know if that would be a CSX maintainer or a Norfolk Southern maintainer.
Ambulance 13, your Harvey Road, 1533, Sterling Bridge.
Roger on that.
Symbol on that train there is CSX I-158. The 158 originates in Bedford Park in Chicago, Illinois, heads east to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, where it terminates. On this Tuesday, November 26, 2024, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Here comes the next video. We'll roll it.
Car department calling the head end of the M36829.
Yeah, 15728. Track 1, west direction. Clear. 58, local on phase like C4726.
Track 48, medium clear, 433, 12 east, arriving Buffalo.
Taking care of that, too.
Frontier Car Department calling the head end of the M36829.
CSX 806, left straight block, 234. Next one, 6929 out.
Good at the marker. Gotcha. And that's car mark, Carmen Kelly. CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 88.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 320. End of transmission.
CSX detector, milepost 10.3, track main 1.
Hey, down. What's up there, Paul?
Sounds like the crew's here. Your AC just sent them to your door. So, there we go. It's okay. I understand. Answer, Mark. Hold down your copy.
All locked in flag. Let me know what you're saying here.
All locked in flag and something.
That's Conway, 714 MO.
Clear, 11, 260, 3096 out.
Derek Carson, CSX has an issue with the switch down the Buffalo connection, so get to a right there, they got to block up. But he wants you to hold up, Derek Carson, for a minute.
CSX 351-210.
CSX detector, milepost 10.3, track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 262. Detector out.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 19.0. Track 2. No defects. Out. 1. Track 1.
Buffalo beat you. Got a clear 431 track 2. X385, approach median 427, track 1, west out.